and Shanu is right now working in Aaj Tak news channel. And I welcome you, Shanu, because I know the journey of that shy-natured girl from Jagadhri and reaching to Aaj Tak. Welcome to you. I was eagerly missing you, and I was thinking, thank you. Welcome to you, Shanu. And how much time you have? Firstly, let me know, Shanu.
Hi everyone. Sir, thank you so much for having me in this alumni. So it was really a nice journey and a learning journey of my career path. Then I also remember when I was in college and I joined Lakshmi Infotech Institute to enhance my skills and to know how interview process works. That helped me really a lot in my career building. My career was a roller coaster ride, but yeah, I trusted myself, my confidence, and my skills, which was enhanced through in Umesh Arora sir also. So currently, I'm working in Ashtak, and it's really a learning journey for me here. And it's been I think 3.5 years here. I'm working with Ashtak. So yeah,
So, what changes you found in yourself after joining Umeshwara English Guru Academy? And that time, if you remember some name of the students who were there with you, and what changes we want to listen your that time experience actually, Shanu.
yeah,
Hello.
sure. I would love to share my experience of that institute. So I joined, I think in 2013 or 14. It's been a lot great time.
Can you
And
do your camera on,
when I
Shanu, if you don't
joined,
mind?
I
Shanu, if you
was
don't mind,
not like a shy person, but I was.
Shanu, if you don't mind, can you do your camera on?
Sir, actually, I am outside that.
Okay, okay.
Actually, not. I am not at my place.
Okay, okay. No issue,
Sir,
no
I'm
issue.
not
Okay,
at my
continue,
place,
continue.
and it's really internet issue.
Okay, okay. No issue, no issue.
Yeah, yeah. So I think will that be fine without video? Hello?
Yes, voice was cracking. Now it is audible. Please continue.
Hello?
Yes, yes, Shanu, you are audible. Please continue.
Yeah, there is some internet issue. I'm not at my place right now. Yeah, so with joining this you, I wanted to really build my confidence to enhance my skills. I trusted myself and Umesh Arora sir who helped me a lot in building my confidence. The things that I learned from the institute was that I really wanted to gain the experience of how interview process works, how we can enhance my skills because the process that Umesh Arora sir gives to the student for daily basis that really enhanced our skills because he works on speaking skills, which is mandatory. Because if we are learning English or enhancing our English, we really want to speak in public, and if we will don't enhance that, that will not work. So that really worked for me. So that was the public exposure I got, the confidence, and the English chapters that Umesh Arora sir gave on daily basis, and we worked hard a lot. And I made really good friends there. Sumati Dhiman was there, I remember. Diksha
Yes, yes,
Garg was
yes.
there,
Absolutely.
and Shubham Kumar was also there. So
Yes,
I
now
remember two
you
or
are talking
three
about Shubham
in which
Prajapati.
I connect with them a lot. So I remember those people. Sorry,
I'm saying about the Shubham Prajapati. You are saying Shubham
hello.
Prajapati? Yes. Audible? Audible to you?
Shubham Prajapati, I think,
That thin boy,
yeah,
that
yeah,
thin
Shubham
boy.
Prajapati, I think, yes, but I was talking about Shubham Kumar.
Okay, okay, okay. Shubham Kumar from Nayagaon village or maybe Sabapur village, I think so.
Yeah, nearby area, Jagadhri nearby area.
Okay, 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 okay. That he has become a government lecturer now, lecturer in English, and his posting is also in the
Yeah,
Jhandari
I know.
School.
He's also, yeah, 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 something like that. That.
Great, great, great. So, what is your job profile in Aaj Tak channel? What are you doing there, Shanu?
So I'm working as a software developer there.
Okay, okay, very good, very good. So, for last 2.5 years, you have been working there, right?
3.5.
Okay, that's great. 3.5 is a very wonderful. So, very,
And
very happy.
also, there is also big opportunity that I got that I'm working in AI, artificial intelligence and machine
Oh,
learning and all.
That's great. That's great.
Yeah.
So today it is a time when our students are not working in some local companies only, not in some new startups. Our students are spread all over the world, and obviously in any sector, even we can't say that even a single sector is there where our students are not working. And before some time, our student was connected with us. He was working in that Tesla company. Our students are becoming IAS. Our students are becoming judges. Judges also, software developers also. They are working in AI. They are working in Google. They are working in every sphere of the life. And I really remember the sincerity you had, Shanu. That sincerity and your consistency. Yes, one thing more I remember. Your sister was also coming. If I am not wrong.
No, sir, no.
No. Oh, that was the sister of Ashu. Okay, that was the sister of Anshu. She is married in Solan now. Nice to see you. Nice to listen to you, Shanu. And in spite of your extraordinary busy schedule, you also spared your some time for us. I really appreciate the zeal you have, and
Thank you
always
so
be in
much, sir.
touch. Yeah, because you told me that you will be going out of station with your family. Some program will be there. So whenever
Yeah.
you visit Jagadhri, ever come to the institute and just have a look at the new institute we have now.
Sure,
I'm
sir. Sure.
anytime, anytime. Thank you, Shanu, for connecting with us from Aaj Tak channel.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, guys. Okay.
Okay.